Hello, 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 and a huge, massive, incredible welcome to English Studio. I am Alex, and I am absolutely thrilled you are here today.
And I am Sarah. We are so happy to have you with us. Today is not just any day. Today is the day we change your English journey forever.
That is right, Sarah. We have a topic today that sounds almost unbelievable, a topic that thousands of you have asked for. Today, we are answering the big question. How can you speak English in just 1 week?
Wow, 1 week. Alex, that sounds like a total dream, doesn't it? But it is possible if you have the right plan, the right mindset, and the right energy.
Exactly. We aren't talking about magic, and we aren't talking about memorizing a whole dictionary. We are talking about communication. We're talking about getting you talking right now, today.
I love that. Before we dive into our super intense 1 week plan, we have a tiny favor to ask our amazing global family. If you want to improve your English every single day, please click that subscribe button right now.
Yes, join the family. Give this video a big like and share it with a friend who needs a boost. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep making these lessons for you.
Okay, Alex, I am ready. The audience is ready. How do we start this incredible 7-day transformation?
We start with Scenario 1, the foundation. Sarah, what is the biggest mistake people make when they start learning?
Oh, that is easy. They focus too much on grammar rules and not enough on phrases they can actually use.
Bingo! If you want to speak in a week, you need the survival kit. Sarah, let's practice the basic greetings that work everywhere.
Perfect. Let's start with, how's it going? It's so much more natural than, how are you?
I love that one. How's it going? Everyone, try saying that out loud right now. How is it going?
And the answer? You don't need a long story. Just say, great, thanks. You?
See? Simple. Great, thanks. You? It keeps the conversation moving. That is the secret.
What about when you don't understand something? That happens a lot in the first week.
Great point. Never be afraid to say, could you repeat that please? Or even simpler, I'm sorry, with a rising tone.
I'm sorry? It's polite, and it tells the other person to say it again. It's a lifesaver.
Moving to Scenario 2, the daily routine. To speak in a week, you have to talk to yourself. Sarah, do you ever talk to yourself in English?
All the time. It sounds a bit crazy, but it works. When I wake up, I say, okay, time to make coffee.
Yes, I am making coffee. I am looking for my keys. Where are my shoes?
This is the action labeling method. You're connecting your thoughts directly to English words without translating from your native language.
That is critical. Do not translate. Just look at the bread and say bread. Look at the door and say door.
Let's try a mini dialogue for a morning routine. Alex, ask me what I'm doing.
Sarah, what's on the schedule for today?
Well, first, I'm heading to the gym. Then I have a meeting at 10. After that, I'm grabbing lunch with a friend.
Look at those phrases. Heading to, having a meeting, grabbing lunch. These are the building blocks of real conversation.
Grabbing lunch is such a great idiom. It just means eating quickly or casually. It sounds so native.
It really does. Now, let's move to Scenario 3, the ordering challenge. You'll definitely need to buy things or order food.
This is where people get nervous, but remember, the person working there wants to help you.
Exactly. Let's practice at a coffee shop. Sarah, you be the barista and I'll be the customer.
Welcome to Star Coffee. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a large latte, please?
Sure thing. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is that?
That'll be $5.50.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Keep the change. Look at you, Alex. So confident.
Did you notice the phrase, can I get? It is so much more common than I want.
Yes. Can I get a water? Can I get a menu? It is polite and effective.
And when Sarah asked anything else, I just said, no, that's all. Those 3 words are powerful. That is all.
It signals the end of the transaction. No confusion.
Now, Scenario 4, small talk. This is the bridge to making friends. Sarah, what is the safest topic in the world?
The weather. It's a classic for a reason.
It really is. If it's raining, you can say, terrible weather, isn't it?
And if it's sunny, you say, beautiful day, right?
Notice how we add that little question at the end, isn't it and right? These are called tag questions. They invite the other person to speak.
Let's try a small talk moment at a bus stop. Alex, start a conversation with me.
Man, it is freezing out here today, isn't it?
Oh, tell me about it. I should have worn a thicker coat.
Me too. I heard it might even snow later.
No way! I'm not ready for snow yet.
See, we just had a whole conversation just about being cold.
Tell me about it is such a funny phrase. It doesn't mean give me more information. It means I completely agree with you.
I love that. Tell me about it. It shows empathy.
Okay, Alex, let's get into scenario 5, describing your day. This is how you tell stories.
Stories are the heart of English, but in your first week, keep them short. Use first, then, and finally.
Let's try it. Alex, tell me about your yesterday using those words.
Okay, first, I woke up late because I forgot to set my alarm. Then, I rushed to the office and realized I forgot my laptop. Finally, I had to drive all the way back home. It was a disaster.
Oh no, but your English was great. Rushed to, realized, all the way back.
Thank you. And notice I used the past tense. Woke up, forgot, had to. In 1 week, you should focus on the most common irregular verbs.
Go becomes went, see becomes saw, eat becomes ate.
If you learn just 10 of those, you can tell hundreds of stories.
Let's move to scenario 6, expressing opinions. People love to talk about what they like and dislike.
Right. Don't just say good or bad. Use I think, in my opinion, or to be honest.
To be honest is a great way to start a sentence when you're giving an opinion. Let's practice. Alex, what do you think of that new superhero movie?
To be honest, I thought it was a bit too long, but the special effects were amazing.
I agree. I thought the ending was a little confusing, though.
A bit too long and a little confusing. Using words like a bit or a little makes your English sound more natural and less aggressive.
It's all about that softening of the language. Instead of saying, I hate it, you can say, it's not really my thing.
It's not really my thing. That is so polite. I love it.
Now, scenario 7, the emergency. Sometimes things go wrong. You need to know how to ask for help quickly.
This is so important for safety and confidence. If you are lost, you say, excuse me, I'm looking for the train station. Could you point me in the right direction?
Or if you lost your phone, excuse me, I've lost my phone. Can I use yours to make a quick call?
Most people are very kind and will help if you use excuse me and please.
So, let's practice a lost scenario. Alex, I'm lost in the city.
Excuse me, I am so sorry to bother you, but I'm completely lost.
Oh dear, where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the Central Library. Do you know where that is?
Yes, just go straight for 2 blocks and turn left. You can't miss it.
You can't miss it. That means it's very easy to see.
Exactly. Alex, we have covered so much ground. Greetings, routines, ordering, small talk, stories, opinions, and emergencies.
That is a full week of training right there. But remember, the secret isn't just knowing the words, it's the consistency.
Yes, you have to speak every day, even if it's just for 10 minutes.
Listen to English music, watch movies with subtitles, and most importantly, dare to make mistakes.
Mistakes are just proof that you're trying. We love mistakes.
We really do. Every mistake is a lesson. If you say, I went to the store, and someone corrects you to I went, you will never forget it again.
So true. Now, let's do a quick summary of our 1-week master plan.
Day 1, learn the basic greetings and survival phrases.
Day 2, label everything in your house. Talk to yourself.
Day 3, focus on ordering phrases. Practice with a friend.
Day 4, learn to talk about the weather and use tag questions.
Day 5, master the past tense for simple storytelling.
Day 6, practice giving your opinion politely.
And Day 7, review everything and have a real conversation, even if it's just with us in the comments.
Speaking of comments, it's time for our question of the day.
We want to know, what is the one thing you want to do once you can speak English fluently?
Is it travel? Is it getting a new job? Is it making new friends? Write it down below. We promise to read them.
And if you found this video helpful, please share it. Let's help the whole world speak English together.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us at English Studio. You are doing an amazing job. Keep going.
We believe in you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, everyone. You've got this.